Hi, I'm Mike Visser of PowerQualityInfo.com, and today we're talking about earthing and lightning protection training courses. Now, when we started our earthing and lightning protection training course almost 30 years ago, what we found was ultimately the reason why we did it was when I was speaking to engineers about surge protection, what we found was not a lot of them knew a lot about it. And surge protection isn't exactly rocket science. It's a pretty simple, basic affair, but of course it's got to be correctly done, correctly implemented, correctly integrated, and ultimately correctly earthed. And what we found, of course, is there were places where we put surge protection in and it didn't get rid of the problem. And what we found out was that the other side of the coin was the earthing. If you don't get your earthing right, your surge protection is not going to work. Which is why we started the Earthing and Lightning Protection Training course. And 28 years ago when we got on with this, what we found was that, again, not a lot of people knew much about earthing. So what did we do? We started with a Earthing and Lightning Protection Training course, and we explained to people, what is it about earthing? How does it work? What's its function? What is it about surge protection? How does it work? What is its function? What are the critical success factors you need to look at in a good surge protection implementation philosophy? And that training course actually helped a lot of engineers and a lot of end users eliminate a lot of problems. And what we found, of course, was that the more people came on our course, the higher the level of demand was from our customers in terms of what they're requesting from their contractor. So if we look at somebody looking for an earthing and lightning protection system now in South Africa, they're fully aware that they need to do that SAN 62305 risk assessment to determine where their risk lies so that they can get a solution that overcomes this. And that is a consequence of the very highly skilled trainers we've got out there, training our engineers, training our technicians, training our business owners on the importance of earthing and lightning protection. So we've been doing this now for 28 years, and our earthing and lightning protection course is incredibly highly rated. We get very few adverse comments. And ultimately, we're there to entertain, educate, inform, upskill, and answer your questions. We show you how to do the testing. We show you what to test. We show you the critical elements of getting an accurate result when you're looking at testing earthing. So if you're looking for lightning protection training, earthing training, get over to PowerQualityInfo.com, register on there, and get an expert on your team. We're looking forward to helping you. I'm Mike Visser of PowerQualityInfo.com. Thank you very much.